Hi, my name is Natasha, and we're here at my home in Tarzana, California. And we are returning customers with Upfront Remodeling. Upfront did our backyard about a year or two ago, and now we have returned, and Upfront Remodeling helped us upgrade our electricity to solar. Initially, we got a quote to rent solar, but Yigal actually explained to us that it's much better to buy solar, and he explained how he could make it as affordable as renting. We decided to, go with Yigal because we trusted him, and he arranged all of the loans and everything that was going to make this project possible. He also made it possible that we complete our project before the end of the year, and we were able to get the Los Angeles County electric rebate. Yigal told us that it was going to take about a day or two to get all the solar panels installed, and they were right on schedule. They arrived promptly in the morning. They worked most of the day, and they were finished. The whole process was very easy. He did all of the communication with everyone, and we only communicated with him, and it was very smooth. We are very happy with our solar installation and that we got the solar done, because we were very hesitant about going solar. We weren't sure, but Yigal explained everything and it made sense. And we're happy with the project, and Upfront Remodeling and Yigal did a great job.